Earn $1,000 a month with these side hustles. Making more money is one of the quickest and easiest ways to improve your financial situation. Debt can be paid off more quickly, an emergency fund can give you more peace of mind, your retirement account can be boosted, the possibilities are endless. To make more money, you can ask for a raise or change jobs. This is where a good side hustle comes in. Not all side hustles, however, are made equal. There is nothing wrong with earning an extra dollar here and there, but you shouldn't have to give up your precious free time to do so. Each of the following 7 side hustles has the potential to bring in at least $1,000 per month. It's likely that you already have the skills or hobbies required. 1. Tutor or advisor. There is a good chance you can monetize your skill if it is useful to others. Somebody out there could use your expertise, whether you're an expert at algebra or a master of the tambourine, or you're an expert at increasing a company's bottom line. Tutoring and consulting fees are based on a variety of factors, including the rarity of your skill or experience, among others. The hourly rate for tutoring young students ranges from $15 to $25 per hour. Tutors can easily charge $30 to $50 per hour for more advanced students. Top-tier consultants can earn up to $100 per hour, depending on the industry. 2. Virtual assistant. Everyone is busy, but some people are more efficient than others. Consider working as a virtual assistant for someone who needs help staying on track if organization is your forte. From keeping schedules and sending errand reminders to scheduling business meetings and overseas travel, virtual assistants do it all. In general, the amount you earn will depend on how many hours you work and how complex the tasks you perform, but you can expect to earn between $15 and $25 per hour. 3. Freelance author. As a freelance writer, you don't have to be a literary genius. Both a solid grasp of grammar and a thorough understanding of the subject matter are helpful. The most money will be made by experts in niche markets. Write listicles for popular websites using your research skills if you're not a great writer. The same is true for those with a knack for witty social media posts. Some writers are paid by the word, while others are paid by the project or by the hour. Starting salaries are low, but those with some experience can easily earn $15 to $25 an hour for basic jobs, and $75 an hour or even more if they are experts. 4. A delivery person. There were more options for delivery drivers even before the pandemic kept us all indoors, but today there are a lot more. Bicycle, scooter, or automobile delivery jobs are available for everything from pizza to medicines. When, where, and for whom you labor will determine your earnings. Luck may also play a factor when it comes to tips. 5. Online store owner. People are willing to pay for nearly anything. In addition, online shopping has the same drawbacks. Most likely you can sell it on the internet if it exists. Even your handcrafted polyhedral dice will do. A third-party marketplace, such as Etsy and eBay, or your own website and store are both options. Everything from what you have to sell to how well it is marketed will determine how much money you make. 6. Marketer of affiliate products. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to generate money online since anyone with a respectable following can do it. It's a form of marketing in which you talk about a specific product, and then direct your audience to buy it by clicking on a given web link, or, sometimes, with a special code. You will receive a modest commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. Profits from each lead will vary depending on the product. A greater affiliate rate is expected for digital products, such as ebooks. Moreover, the greater your audience, the more leverage you have in negotiating higher fees with advertisers. 7. Attend market research. If you've ever wanted to be paid to give your opinion on products, market research may be for you. A lot of organizations are willing to pay a lot of money in order to acquire honest feedback from potential clients. This could mean that you spend 30 minutes reviewing a product, or that you spend a couple of hours completing surveys. As a consultant, you might earn up to $25 per hour depending on the size of the project and the industry. the chances are that you have something to offer, even if it's just your 2 cents. To offer your personal finances some peace of mind, you can earn $1,000 a month or more with a side hustle. Your credit card debt will be repaid at 0% APR until 2023 if you transfer it to this top balance transfer credit card. In addition, there is no annual charge. Our experts recommend this card for a variety of reasons, including its low interest rates, flexibility, and ease of use, among others. You can read our whole review for free and apply in just 2 minutes by clicking here. Our editorial opinions are our own and have not been reviewed, authorized, or endorsed by any of the advertisers we work with. Not all options are covered by the Ascent. While the Motley Fool's editorial content is developed by the same team, that of the Ascent comes from a different analytical team. Motley Fool firm The Ascent has partnered with Ally to advertise on their site. In addition, JP Morgan Chase is a Motley Fool advertising partner.